Yep. Real nice. Chrome, period aftermarket. Yeah, I like that.
Nice.
Love it. All right, so ignition test. Yep. The headlight? Yeah. There's probably not a lot of juice in the battery. We'll have to charge it, see if the battery's charging. Actually, let's get that trickle charger on there while we finish the last few things. Let's try this horn here too. Okay, we're getting there. Go ahead and give it a... Getting there. Yeah. I like that. Then let's put the seat back on. Yeah, it's an amazing seat, isn't it? Such a great look. These seats with the Buddy seat springs kind of go on just one way. It's one of the most beautiful seats I've ever seen. It is amazing. And then that big flash. I mean, I don't think we got any trouble naming this bike.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Gosh, what a look.
That seat makes the whole bike, man.
What a pig, man. What a pig. All right. Beautiful. Did you find something?
Is that it?
It got rubber grommets on it? Nice. Brand new rubber grommets, too. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. So let's peel this one down. Oh, wait. Before I do this, do we want to add any more? What are these? What's under there? Is there a bolt?
Yeah, the bolt.
Because if there's a bolt, what if we put 2 more lights there?
Do you have more?
I do have more lights. I got a dang box of them somewhere. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. A couple things. I got a box full of lights. I don't know how many we can use and how many we can't. Yeah, we'll look at the base is how you tell. These are not them. Here's 2 red ones, one with a visor. Hello. Ooh. We don't have any visors. There is a taillight gasket.
Nice.
This is what I'm talking about. What we can do, Chris. I saw another one of these upstairs. And we'll try to add 4. If we can add 4, that'll be just enough overkill.
And so then the question is, do we run them with the brake lights or do we run the extra 4
with the tail lights?
With the tail light.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and it would be really cool. I don't have them, but to run double filament bulbs in here.
Oh, so you can do both. Wow.
Whoa. Wow. They're in the swim shop. Let's run in there and then see if, so we're looking for a mate to this one. We probably ought to run with these. Let's look for this.
Okay.
Maybe there's some other accessories we could slap on this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. And okay. That one's a little dented. I forgot about these. Let's go look in here. So if you guys remember my other 55, it's this pepper red one over here, and it's decked out. One of the things about this bike I loved, look at that. It's got the same hubcap on the inside, but doubled up. Or we could run these 2, and these just pop in there.
Yeah.
That thing